This is a story, Srishti's story. Srishti Institute for Child and Adolescent Mental Health. This is a story of relentless dedication to make the lives of children, specially abled children, truly special.
Rudransh is a child who came to Srishti at around 5 years of age, and now he is around 13 to 14 years of age. He is a case of Down syndrome, and जब भी वो हमारे पास आया सृष्टि में, then he is very lethargic. He has a very poor gross motor skills. He cannot even walk properly because of the poor strength. And fine motors are not good. He cannot hold his pencil. He cannot, put his button and all. He has improved a lot. His balance is also improved. Now he is able to perform most of the gross motor skills. He is able to perform all his ADL activities independently. Ability of his participation in the school setting, even in the curricular or in the extracurricular activities, has been improved. So we design an occupational therapy intervention where all the purposeful activities has been designed, which serves to or empower the different sensory systems which enhance the child's learning abilities.
Rudransh is just one of many such children who received an early intervention. Srishti Institute for Child and Adolescent Mental Health has been one of the pioneers in understanding the need for early intervention and creating hopes for them.
Early intervention can be started as early as even 2 to 3 months, right? And besides this, again, as the child moves further, at the age of 3 to 4, there are many screening tools which can identify children with autism, children with who are finding it difficult to learn or learning difficulties. There are many tools which can identify such children. And the parents by that time, they understand that there is something wrong in the child, or there is a red flag which has to be addressed.
2.5 साल की उम्र में वो एनालिसिस हो गया था कि ऑटिज़म है, उसके बाद से ही थेरेपीज चालू हो गई हैं। लेकिन बहुत अच्छा इंप्रूवमेंट है शौर्य का, स्पेशल एड भी बहुत अच्छा उसका चल रहा है। मैं तो एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं किया था, उसे ABCD भी लिखनी नहीं आती थी पहले, तो अब तो क्लास 1-2 का लेवल चल रहा है।
We need to start with awareness for the parents of children with disabilities, parents of children who do not have disabilities, community awareness, awareness at schools, awareness for their peers, awareness at various levels, and include them in maximum competitions and in games and in play, so that the children, they do not feel left out or secluded. So this is one important area which connects me very close to my heart is social inclusion, and we are going to go strong at it to make it happen.
I've had that vision that I should reach to each and every village across India so that not even a single child is left behind.
Social inclusion is much more than just a concept. It is a vision. It is an endeavor towards which Srishti has been surging since its inception. From partnering with schools to providing government facilities for specially abled children, Srishti tirelessly toils to give such children a space to grow.
Srishti was started just in one room way back in 1995, and down the lane We have 3 institutes in Ghaziabad, in Delhi, as well as in Greater Noida. Apart from that, we have 1 institute in Alwar also. Shrishti has been registered under all the registrations of the government. We are registered under RPWD Act, and then we are registered with National Trust. Under National Trust, we run different schemes for children with disabilities. Apart from children with disabilities, it covers all the people who fall under the category of RPWD Act. The RPWD Act covers 21 categories for disabilities.
We have been catering to the children with developmental disorders like autism, Down syndrome, then learning disabilities like dyslexia, dysgraphia. We have been facilitating services like psychoeducational assessments. We have been giving the therapies like occupational therapy, speech therapy, remedial training, and we are providing special sports training as well. We start with pre-inclusion. We try to facilitate, with various therapies so that they can be calmed down, they can understand the environment. After that, we are educating the peers, we are educating the teachers, we are educating the parents also. I have seen like many students we could include in the mainstream. We are changing the environment of the classroom, we are changing the environment of the school, and that's which will help to change the environment of the society.
Not only building motor and academic skills and education, Srishti, through a sports program called Special Olympic Bharat, instills values like team spirit, healthy competition, and empathy, along with enhancing their body coordination and overall growth.
Children with special needs, even they are talented in sports. So we have 2 wings in Srishti where we promote sports. One is Special Olympics Bharat and the other one is Special Olympics Unified Games.
स्पेशल ओलंपिक भारत एक स्पेशल बच्चों के लिए बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है। आप उनके गेम्स को अगर हम करेंगे, उनको 4 लेवल्स में आगे डिवाइड करके उनको आगे ले जा सकते हैं। डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल, स्टेट लेवल, नेशनल लेवल, इंटरनेशनल लेवल, आप इनको करा के आप इंडिया के लिए रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं स्पेशल बच्चों को, जिसमें कि आप फुटबॉल, बास्केटबॉल, आपका क्रिकेट, हैंडबॉल, सॉफ्टबॉल थ्रो एंड स्केटिंग एंड बहुत लॉट्स ऑफ गेम्स जो हैं हमारे, जो इस तरीके से हम उन बच्चों को आगे कर सकते हैं और हम वर्ल्ड में भी ये चीज़ एक मैसेज पहुंचा सकते हैं कि स्पेशल बच्चा किसी से कम नहीं है। जब बच्चा आता है कि वो हाइपर एक्टिव होता है, उसके आई हैंड कोऑर्डिनेशन इंप्रूव नहीं होते हैं, उसके फाइन मोटर्स, ग्रोस मोटर, उसका बैलेंसिंग, बॉडी पोस्चर एंड इन सब चीज़ पे वर्क करते हैं। धीरे धीरे जब हम उस चीज़ पे वर्क करते हैं तो जब बच्चा कैपेबल हो जाता है तो उसको हम कॉन्फिडेंस दिलाते हैं कि आप ये कंपटीशन के लिए जाएंगे। एंड कंपटीशन का एक लेवल जब बच्चे को समझ आ जाता है तो वो गेम्स में इंटरेस्टेड हो जाता है। तो फिर उसके बाद हम गेम्स में इंट्रोडक्शन कराते उस बच्चों को उसमें इन्वॉल्व इतना कर देते कि उनको उस गेम में आना पड़ता है और वो करते हैं और आगे बढ़ जाते हैं।
All these children, they need some kind of a help so that their curriculum can be managed and worked upon in a manner that they are able to achieve the best in their lives. For that, technology is likely to play a very important role. So this is where we are looking at as an organization, how could we introduce technology more and more in order to bring about an improvement. So we are looking at technology. For that, we have already developed an app which would identify the children early for their various areas of learning difficulties, and moment we are able to identify such children, then we would be in a position to nurture them and see to it that their problems are minimized and the gaps are reduced.
It has been more than 2 decades that Srishti has been exhibiting such profound dedication towards enriching specially abled children with education and skill development. But they believe that their journey has just begun. There are many, many more lives to be touched upon and milestones to be created.